Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to do a easy glitch effect in Shotcut. Stay tuned.
I'm ready! 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 I'm ready!
Go SpongeBob!
So right guys, let's get started into this tutorial. First of all, open your project and import the videos you want. Quick tip here, trim your videos now. I recommend that. Trim it now. And afterwards, we're going to start to make a crossfade. Crossfades are very easy. Basically, join the two videos by moving one into the next. And you see a purple and pink bar or box or rectangle appearing. Next step, switch to effects, and to get effects, usually have to click the box and you'll see it have effects right there. Type in glitch, and there you get the various different ones. Afterwards, now you can either alter either the frequency, block height, shift density, color intensity, and it's easy as that.
Perfect.
So hey guys, thanks again for watching. I hope the video helped you out very well. Do make sure to like, subscribe, share this video if you found it useful, and also have a wonderful day and see you in another one.